To make this couple portrait engraving effect on leaves, I will use this leaf cutout, and second I will use this couple image. Okay, so first I will tell you how to find this leaf cutout. Just here search for green leaf cutout, and in the photos here scroll down to find this image, and you can just rotate it according to your requirement. So I have rotated it like this, and for the couple image I have used unsplash.com, and as you can see you can just download it for free here. And as you can see, the portion of the head of the groom is not present here. So to adjust that, I will first click on this image, click on edit. In the Magic Studio, scroll here to find Magic Expand and click on Freeform and just extend it here so that I can find the head portion which is not present here. So I will click on Expand. And it has generated us with our result, and click on Done and just unzoom it. Just unclick it once and click on it and click on BG Remover. So as you can see, now the background is removed. After that, here I will search for border circle frame and go to frames here, and I will use this one. Okay, and I will just keep it side because this one's work will come later. And before that, I will just click on it, click on edit and scroll down to find duotone, and here in custom change the highlights color to white and shadows color to black. Okay, so this one is done. Now come to adjust here, increase the highlights to maximum, just decrease the shadows to minimum, increase the whites to maximum, and increase the blacks to maximum. Okay, so after that, when it is done here, just bring this frame here, make this slightly bigger, and just click on this image and just bring it here. Okay, now double click on the image to adjust it. So I want to keep it this way. Okay, and I want to change the color of this border to black. Okay, so this one is done. Now after that, I will just bring the leaf image here and check if it is working fine or not, and which angle we need to do to work the image perfectly. So I will click on send to back for the leaf, and I will just bring the couple image here. Okay, and so this setting is good as you can see in here. And after that, I will just go to elements here, just scroll down to find shapes, and here you use this circle. Okay, and just make it bigger and change the color to white. And after that, go to layers, send backward. Okay, and just adjust the image accordingly, and just here adjust the couple image so that the leaf is also visible and also the couple image. So this one is done. After that, just cut the leaf image and paste it in the first page again, and here in this second page change the background color to black. Okay, like this, and download both the images by clicking on share, click on download, make sure it is in JPG, and download both the images here. Now click on add page and just change it to the main white background and just re-upload the images which you just downloaded. Okay, and just come to apps here, click on blend, click on this blend image app and use this leaf image for the bottom layer, and for this couple image use this as the top layer. Okay, and your design is ready. Click on add page and add to design, and just make the image bigger and center it, and your design is ready. And this is the way you can make this couple portrait engraving effect on leaves with the help of Canva very easily. So I hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thank you.